me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today your girl is back with a new video, and I'm super excited about today's video because I'm giving you a real unboxing. Inside these two big old boxes, I have the new collection from Fashion to Figure and their collaboration with my girl Chastity Garner, which many of you may know as GarnerStyle. So this is Chastity's second collaboration with Fashion to Figure. You guys know I love me some Fashion to Figure. So if you want to see that new collab, you want to see how these clothes look, how they gonna fit a girl with curves, then you guys already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Now, I need somebody to come help me up off this floor. Love, where you at? Alright guys, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna open up the box. I'm gonna start with the small box first, which is the white one. I'm so excited because these Fashion to Figure collaborations have been really good, and I missed out on the last GarnerStyle one with the jeans. I was so bummed about that. All right, first piece is pink. You guys know pink is my favorite color. If you didn't know, pink is my favorite color. Ooh, look at this. It's a coat. Ooh, with a little faux fur hood. Okay. Look at this. This is so cute, and it's crop. Okay. I don't really do crop jackets or crop coats for a reason. Listen, this booty, it brings boys to the yard. It gives unnecessary attention, which is why I don't wear short jackets. I don't need all of that kind of attention. So this is super cute. It looks like it's like a plastic coating over it. I don't know what you would call it, but let's try it. I love the color. I can already tell it has stretch on the bottom. Super cute. And that's gonna be definitely comfortable. Ooh, look at this. It has pockets on the side, but the pockets come up like on my boobs. The pockets button, they have a button closure. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, let me button it up. Look at the hood. Definitely when it's cold. I feel like this could probably get me through maybe 45 degrees, but I would have to wear a sweater under this. Now, I would want to size up. Listen, it fits fine, but I have on a thin shirt, so I would have to try this on with like a thicker sweater or something. But this with like a t-shirt on probably like a 50-degree day, I think I would be good. The sleeves extend, it looks like. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, or does that mean it's too small? Like, I don't know. But the sleeves do extend, and I actually like that the fabric on the sleeve, the extension, it matches with the coat, so you really couldn't tell, or maybe it's not supposed to do that. I'm not sure, but all I know is that I do like this. I think I would size up just because I feel like it's a tiny bit, snug right here. But overall, it looks good. It looks cute. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. All right, we got some more pink stuff. Listen, I love girls who love pink. Thank you, GarnerStyle, for being a pink girl. All right, so what is this? It doesn't say the name of these things. Okay, so this is a wrap sweater, an off-the-shoulder wrap sweater. Oh, I cannot wait to try this on. So this is like a shawl collar off the shoulder. This is gonna be real cute. All right, look how cute this sweater is. Oh, you guys know how much I love an off the shoulder. But this pink one, and I love like it has, it's like a fold over. It's like a shawl collar that falls off the shoulder. Super cute. Now, this is short, as you can see. It's just below my navel, so like right above the hip bone. This is how it looks from the back. Oh, we like this. Yes. Oh, I'm so glad they sent this to me because GarnerStyle did a promo of her collection, and she had this on in the promo, baby. Listen. See, they don't make this for plus girls, other brands. No, because they think plus girls don't want to wear this. They think we don't want to look cute at the ski resort. I want to look cute at the lodge. Look at this jumpsuit. This is, where's the tag? Okay, so this is the panel jumpsuit. Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at this. Now, I'm not necessarily crazy about it, but this is definitely cute. So, as you can see, it goes all the way up on the neck. I would say I could have possibly used a 2 because this is also very stretchy. Like, you can even see kind of like the wrinkles around my ankle because I had to like pull it down to kind of straighten and smooth it out. This is also see-through. So, not like completely see-through, but you're definitely going to need something under it. Now, I personally like to wear shapewear to smooth out lumps and bumps, and especially in something like this. So I do have on shapewear, but if you don't wear shapewear and you're fine, then you don't need to put anything under it, but I would just do that. That's just me. Anywho, it is very cute though, and the zipper goes all the way down to here. I love the color block of the pink, and it's more like pink and cream than white. As you can see, it's very bodycon. This is how it looks from the back, and it has seams going all the way up. It's sexy though. It's sexy. This is like waiting in the lodge with a cup of cocoa, looking at your gentleman caller. No, I like it. I'm not crazy about it as far as how it looks on me, but I do like it, especially if this is more of your style. I feel like it's a winner. So, but let me know what you guys think. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is the Big Daddy. This is the Big Daddy right here. This is a fur hooded, is this a coat or a jumpsuit? What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a coat? No? This is a jumpsuit too. Oh my gosh. I actually wanted to snow in New York City just so I could floss in this. Look, I'm using a 1995 word. Floss. Remember that? I used to say floss. Oh my goodness. This is so dope. And look, it has an elastic waist. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at how cute this is. It has zipper pockets on the side. Let me zip it down. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is warm too. And then look, it has an elastic around the waist. This is in a size 3. Oh, this fits perfect. Like, oh, Corvette, hopping in there. That's how I go. Yeah. I'm not going skiing or anything, but this is gonna be back in the day. Remember your mom used to put one of these on you to go to school because it was freezing and wrap you up with a scarf and you would be like this? But this is chic though. Like this is fly. This is how plus size girls should be rolling up to the lodge. Going to Big Bear or something. I'm gonna have to actually plan like a little winter getaway so I can wear this. This is so dope. So it zippers all the way down. I'm not trying to give y'all a peep show, but it zippers all the way down, and it zips. It zips all the way down, and it's really nice. Now this is the hood. This is how the hood looks on. Whew, it's getting hot in here now. So this is how it looks from the back. Hey, Corvette. Let's see. Now we have the Maxi sweater dress. This is in a camel color, right? This is camel. I feel like it looks like a cross between camel and peach, as if the two colors were blended together. This is a cute color. Look at that on my skin. Yes, darling. So this is really nice. This is super chic. It's very sophisticated too. So this is just a maxi turtleneck dress. And I love that it has this drawstring right at the waist. The drawstring is functional. This is super lightweight. So this actually feels like I'm wearing a long sleeve slip dress. As you can see, it's very bodycon. It goes all the way down to, basically it's like just above the hitting the floor. It's grazing the top of my foot. I am 5'7.5". Sometimes I say 5'8", but I'm really like 5'7.5", and this fits me truly like a maxi. So for my tall girls, this would definitely be a good little dress. Ooh, I'm serving body in this, honey. Ooh, no. And I love that the turtleneck is kind of draped and loose, and this color, oh my goodness, this color is everything. Ooh, we here for it. Serve on them. Let me know what you guys think about this maxi knit dress. Is a long faux fur vest. Oh, this is a vest, not a coat. Okay. 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 Yes, this is how, like when I try on clothes without showing you guys, you can act love. I'll be in here having a whole scene in my head. This is so cute. Look at this. This is a cute faux fur vest. Oh my gosh, and it's long, so it's like a midi length, so it covers the bum. Oh my goodness. Oh, turtleneck under this, so fly. It's soft, you guys. It is so soft. Oh, does it have pockets? Oh, it has pockets. It has pockets. But see, that booty just be in the way sometimes. This is so cute. Oh, I'm looking in the mirror. All right, so it has a hook closure. I doubt I'm gonna be able to hook it at the bottom. I wouldn't hook, yeah, I can't hook it at the bottom, okay. Because these hips and that rear end says, sis, slow your roll. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. But this is cute open. You guys know how I feel about blazers and jackets and stuff like this. Like, it's meant to be worn open. No one buttons and zips up that stuff. Anywho, oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Look at this, guys. I love it. I can't size up. I don't know if this comes in a 4. This is a 3. So if you feel like you are similar to my shape, I identify with 2 different shapes. I feel like I'm an apple shape that can easily transfer into an hourglass. So a lot of the times it's this area here that gives me difficulty with coats and jackets. So especially when they're long. But a vest like this, I would totally just leave open. It's super cute though. I guess if I got a 4, I would be able to hook it closed, and then I could like belt it and hook it up. But this is cute open. It goes with my earrings today too. All right, so this is just a simple little black turtleneck. That's cute. That would be cute with the coat. Like, this feels like it's thin enough and lightweight enough to wear with the coat, but it's just a simple black turtleneck. This is nice though. Oh, this is soft. All right. All right, so next up we have this little black and white piece. Ooh, and it says chill. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Look at this. Chill, just chill and sacrifice. I don't know if that's how that goes, but oh, it's let's chill. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, how cute and fun is this? I would have never like picked something like this out for myself, but this is definitely cool for around the house. This is how it looks from the back. Yeah. Ooh, and I like that it's a jumpsuit. It's very stretchy, as you can see. So it's comfortable, and it has a little bit of texture to it. But now I would have to wear something under this. It'll be a whole different story if I didn't, because as you can see how low cut this is. You only rock this when you know. No. Anywho, I like it. It's really fun for around the house. So what is this? So this is another turtleneck, but this is a printed one. So this looks like this is snakeskin print. But here's another turtleneck, and this one is a snakeskin print. And I like that it's a solid color on the inside, and then when you roll it down is when you get that matching neck. Really nice. So this is, oh, these are a pair of black high-rise leggings, and they have a seam going down the front. All right, this doesn't look like all this body can get up in here now. Wait a minute. This feels like one of those like sport type of leggings, you know what I'm saying? Like people who like to run and jog in the winter in the snow, like they would wear these. And oh, it has a side zip. So these might actually hold me in good, hold in all my goodies. All right, we'll try these, but I don't know if all this body can get into it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, now we have another pair of high-rise leggings. Ooh, y'all, I'm about to create some outfits. That's what I like. All of these pieces can go together. Okay, so this is a pink pair of the high-rise leggings. Ooh, and these look a little shiny too. Okay, I like this. These look like these might be a little sheer, so I feel like I might have to wear something under this because it does look a little sheer. So we'll see. Alright guys, so I put together the snakeskin turtleneck with the pink pants. I was able to get all of this body up in her. I love these pants. They are super stretchy. But as you can see, they are a little sheer. So like I said, I do have on shapewear under this. I would probably just wear, instead of shapewear, I would just wear like some like long sheer black stockings under this. But just for right now, this is all I have. Anywho, I love the pants, love the color. I like this turtleneck. I just don't like that sometimes it seems like if I move around, you'll see the beige part of the turtleneck. That's what I don't like. However, I'm here for the pink snakeskin print. This is how the pants and the turtleneck look from the back. This is cute. I really like it. I like each piece individually. I don't know if I like it together, but definitely these pants with something else would look really cute. Also, as you can see, all the way down to the ankle, there's extra fabric. It's good for a tall girl. So if you're taller than me, my 5'7.5" self, then these are gonna be good because it has extra fabric on me. However, I would wear these like tucked into a pair of over the knee boots or knee-high boots or something, or even ankle boots would be cute with this to hide the extra fabric down below. Oh, okay, so if you guys are not pink lovers, what kind of people are you if you're not a pink lover? No, I know there's people who hate pink. Okay, so this is the black version to the pink coat. Okay, I could definitely get with this color too. The black looks nice and it's kind of shiny. Look at this, so cute and black. Alright guys, so that is it for me. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. There will be links to everything I tried on down below. So it's a new collection, so I feel like a lot of stuff should be available still. So everything I got today was in a size 3. My height is 5'7.5". I really do like the collection. As I said, there were some things that were my favorite and some things that were not so much, but still were cute if it was your style. So definitely check out Fashion to Figure. If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I style some of these looks, make sure you follow Stylish Curves on Instagram. And if you want to check out more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!